What's going on, guys? Chaseontwowheels here with my buddy Patty Rick for another episode of Superfast Setups. Today, we're going to try to do this in record time. We have Sena's 50R and we have Sena's 50S. I said those backwards, but today we're going to connect them via mesh, which is the new technology for communication back and forth in helmets.
It's witchcraft. No one actually knows how it works.
And if you're wondering how witchcraft it is, Patrick has told me how fast this is to set up. I don't think it's true. So Patrick, please take us through how to connect these brand new Sena units.
Well, to everybody who doesn't have one of these or has never seen one before, I'm going to go through a quick setup of how the buttons work. So on our 50S, we've got our center jog dial kind of deal. We're missing a center button. You just simply click it in turn. The older units have an independent button. This one does not. There's a phone button on the rear. And the big thing for this video, when we pop our little antenna up, is there's a mesh button here on top. That's going to be the main focus of our video today. On the 50R, we've got a volume up, a center button, a volume down, and then a mesh button on the rear. Again, we're going to pop this little antenna up. If it wants to cooperate with me today.
It's slowed us down.
It's, you know, pop the antenna up so we can get this rocking and rolling. Now to turn these devices on, you're going to press and hold the plus and the center button on the R model. You're going to see the blue light come on. It's going to say hello. You'll be good to go. To turn on the S, you're going to press and hold the center jog dial and the phone button at the same time. Just like that. And that just connected to your cell phone.
Hope I don't get a phone call.
That would be hilarious. And to put these into mesh mode, it's super simple. Grab that guy. We're just going to tap the mesh button.
Mesh intercom on. Open mesh. Channel 1.
Hello, hello.
Hold on, we have to do tap.
Oh,
Bro.
it's that easy. It is
Yes.
that. Power on device, tap mesh button, you're good to go. Super simple. Now get on the bikes, get out there, have a good time.
Okay, that might be the fastest super fast setups yet. Somebody time us. One of the editors of this video, time this video. Let us know if this is the fastest one.
Here.
All right, guys, that is super fast setup. We do these as fast as possible so you guys can get out there and ride and connect with your people because this stuff sometimes gets frustrating. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and then we're gonna go film another super fast setup video. Okay, goodbye. How did...
I went that way.
Anyways, guys, that's it for super fast setups. That's Patty Rick. I'm Chaseontwowheels. If you guys want links for the stuff we talked about and connected in today's video, there will be links down below. If this video helped you guys out, like at a gas station or something like that, and you're just trying to connect all your stuff up, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you guys like motorcycle content, you probably should subscribe. Okay, we're going to leave out the way we came, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Later. You're that way. Okay, bye.